In this video, I'll be showing you how to do P2P peer-to-peer trading so you can buy USDT on Bybit and Telegram. So the first thing you want to do is hit wallet on Telegram, open your Telegram and go to settings and click on wallet. Then once the wallet opens, you click on P2P market as on Telegram. Then once it opens, you can either do it two ways. Either you click on buy to buy or sell or to sell, or click on create ads. But now we click on buy as you are buying. Then you look for the ads that are displaying the amounts and the available quantities that I have to sell. So we see one, maybe with DexPay. Let's check out DexPay. And then DexPay has minimum, he has his limit there, which is a bit high. I think $1,241, but we don't want to buy that amount, so I put $100, and then you can click on check order. So you click on check order, and then once you click on confirm, you are now locked in the trade. You understand? You have already made the commitment. So once you click on, be sure that you want to do this trade before you click on confirm, because once you click on it, this is to protect the buyer and the seller, so that you don't click on confirm and then when they send you money or when you receive money, you log out. If you do this often, your account will be blocked. So you don't want to confirm if you're not ready to buy, you're not ready to sell. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do now, we'll go check out other ads as well and click on sell. Now you want to sell your USDT that you have. So we look for those who want to sell on, but I don't like this because on Telegram the amount is low. But let's check out some. This guy wants to sell. My balance is 200 USDT. So I typed that I want to sell 100 USDT, but he doesn't want to buy it up to that. He wants to buy more than that. His minimum is $529. So I exit that. I look for someone who wants to buy something lower, the amount that I have. Let's check Lee AI. Lee AI, his limit is he has available 20,000 USDT to sell. Um, so no, let's look for someone else. Crypto vibes. So we click on sell. Um, click on sell, and then we put the input the amount. You see his the limit is $166 and some cents. So the minimum amount is it must be $166 minimum, or $167. So just put $200 and then click on payment. Make sure to add your payment method. It's very important. I already have my payment method here, so I don't need to add it. But if you don't have, you have to add. Click on bank transfer, add your payment method, scroll down, make sure everything is correct, then click on check order to check the order, to check everything regarding the order that you are about to make, which is to sell your USDT. So here you have less than 2 minutes to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, then your USDT will be locked. You will not be able to remove it because it's locked. I remember I told you, if you click on confirm, you have to go and proceed with the order. This is how people lose their accounts. And once you are banned, you are banned. You will not be reinstated. So you make sure that you want to sell or you want to buy before you click on confirm. Okay. Now, aside from clicking on buy and sell, another way I told you to do P2P trading is to click on create ad. So we'll go back and click on create ad. Now, when you click on create ad, you can either buy or sell, which is purchase or sale. Click your payment settings. Don't forget, you must put your payment settings, add payment method. I already have mine there, so I don't need to click anything, but you must add yours if you don't have. So click on create ad. If you click on purchase or sale, it's still the same thing. Now you click on create ad. When you click on create ad, you still see I want to buy, I want to sell. You see. So let's do buy there. And anyone you want to use, just once you click on create ad, buy or sell. So once you click on, you select buy, then USD, leave it on USDT because you want to buy USDT, except you want to buy something else. Then leave it on NG, which is Naira. You're in Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, you can use another currency type floating. Then this price percentage of markets. You look at the price percentage under there. The market price is 1,526 naira 90 cents. So you have to use that particular 100% to match it. Except you want to use lower. If you want to sell lower or buy lower, you use a 90% here, it means the amount is lower. I can see it's 1,374 naira. But if you want it to be higher, you can use 110%, but it's too much. So you can just use like 102% or thereabout. So the volume is $100 that we want to sell, or want to buy rather. In this case, we are buying, and then you can just, this is to screen the people that will see your advert. They want over 95 people that had over 95% rate of success of trading. Then you can click on continue. Don't click auto accept others if you know you're not going to be online. Let you be the one to confirm it. And yes, the minimum amount to confirm is 1,600 naira, which is $1. If you want it to be more than that, you can also select it, because you have 100 200 USDT here. You can select 77,000 or so, which is around 77,000 is around $50 or thereabout. So we choose 100% here, a payment method, which is bank transfer that you want to buy through. Then remember, we are creating ads. You can write your this thing there, your comment, or you just click on create ads. You understand? So this is the amount, 1,526, that you're going to be selling for. So click on confirm, click on I understand these guidelines for safer transactions. Once you click it, you click on continue, and then voila, your ad is successfully created. Open profile. Now you can see this is your ad that we created. This is to sell. This is a sell order that we created. Yeah. So now we'll go back and we click on create ad again. And then we continue. Okay, let's start from the beginning so you understand. Click on wallet, click on P2P trading, look at my ads there. You click on my ads, look at sell order. Okay, what we did before was buy order. So you click on purchase, you see the buy order we already created. Now we want to sell. Okay, look at it, the ad is running already. So purchase is where we just did, which is buy. Now we have to do for sell, which is sale there. So click on sale and click on create ad. Okay, here you see, you can click on sell or buy here. So select sell, the same thing that we did before. um the current price of the market, which is, you can choose 100%, but if you remember, you want to buy low and sell high. So I'm choosing 100% or 101 or 102%, because I want to buy low and sell high. So to sell high, not too high though, so my price is higher than the market price, which is 1,542 naira, as against 1,526 naira. So the amount I want to sell is 200 USDT, the minimum amount that they can sell. Now, this is very important. If you put 1,600, that means anybody can just buy $1. I don't want that. So let's see, minimum is $50 times how much is the 1,542 naira, which is what we are selling for. So times 1,542 naira is equal to 77,100. So want anybody that want to buy, the minimum they can buy is $50, which is 77,500. And who can see this ad? Remember, choose who you want to see it complete. If they have 5% completed orders, their rating is this over 95% or 90% that you want, or you can just leave it blank like that. Everyone will be able to see it, and then leave the max order so that it will be the maximum amount that you have for sale that will be available there. Then you click on continue, and then you put your your payment method that you want to use to receive. If you already have it there, you just select it. I ticked one there, select it. I can add a comment. This comment is also important for people who want to buy to see. So I just write, I'm online and active. Don't enter this trade is you if you are a scammer, you will be reported ASAP. Let's deal. So click on create ad. So once you click on create ad, click on understand these guidelines for safer transactions, continue, and then yep, your ad is created. So this is your ad. You have purchase, buy ad. You can purchase. This is the ad we did before for buy. And then if you click on sell, you will see the ad that we created for sell as well. So you can see it, 1,542 naira to sell, and to buy is lower than this. So this is how you create to buy and sell on Telegram, and the same thing on Bybit. Will be good. This for say 1,526 naira for to buy. So remember, you buy low and sell high if you want to make profit, except you just want to sell. So the same way we did it on Telegram is the same way we're going to do it on Bybit. The same process. So I'm going to delete this ad and delete this purchase, but I'll leave this sale because I want to sell and make a little profit. Okay, or if you leave this ad like this, your amount is already out. If is already they are frozen your amount you have in your uh, Telegram in your balance. Same thing on Bybit, it is frozen. If you click on stop and go back, you see your amount there. But if you don't click on stop, if you go back, you will not see your available balance. It will be taken away. This is done to safeguard the buyer and the seller, most especially the buyer, because since I'm selling, the buyer will transfer amounts. You see, no amount is here. I've gone back now. There's zero balance here. But if I click on P2P market and click on my ads, you will see that my ad is still running. But if I click on stop, then the amount will show back again. So let's go look at my ads. Look at my ad is there. So let me click on stop. Click on stop, go back, and then you see my amount is back. My balance is back, 200 USDT. So this is done to safeguard. You can click on start now. You go back, the amount will vanish. This is done to protect the buyer, out. Because once the buyer starts paying, you cannot cancel it. Your amount is frozen by Telegram or by Bybit or any platform you're using. So that once the buyer transfers the money, the system will automatically sends the money to the person once you click on confirm. But if you don't click on confirm, your money will still be frozen. You cannot take it away. The buyer will appeal and you might get your account frozen and the money will still be sent to the person. So let's go and do the same thing we did on Telegram on Bybit. You will see that it's just the same thing. But although the interface of Bybit is a bit different from Telegram, but it's the same thing applies. So click on P2P trading on Bybit. We're on Bybit here. And click on P2P trading. Then once the P2P trading opens, you can see there are three ways. You can do express, P2P, or block trade. P2P is normal peer-to-peer trading where you can click on buy or sell. You can see buy or sell under there. Or you can click on block trade. Block trade is you want to buy a lot of USDT, like millions. You see the ads here that people have here is in millions. Like this one is 15 million to 50 million. This one wants to sell. You can look at sell. You see 23 million to 23 million. These are bulk orders. So this is not, except you want to buy in bulk, you click on block trade. Then the other way is express trade. I actually like express trade. This is P2P trade. P2P trade is what I just explained. Okay, you can click on sell to sell your USDT and click on buy to buy USDT. So P2P is actually very good to use, but I prefer Express. But let's do P2P. So click on P2P. You can buy with crypto or fiat. Fiat is the naira. So click on crypto. We are selling 100 USDT, and this particular person, the minimum they want to sell is 7,495 the USDT. So we don't want that. Look for someone else that has a minimum amount they want to sell, a lower amount rather they want to sell. And then once we find that, we'll click so that we're able to sell. This person, their minimum amount, uh, okay, received $200. Click on 200 USDT. My bank transfer is already there. I already put my amount, my bank details there. You get, so it's automatic. If you don't have it there, you can just add your bank payment method. So let's check the amount that this translates to. 306 naira divided by $200 is 1,532. Let's see what the system will say. Click on sell. You have to add your Google Authenticator on Bybit. That's the way to secure your account. So I've already added it to my authenticator. Copy the Bybit code. Go back to Bybit. Paste it, and it will confirm. And then click on sell. Battery is low. So click on sell. Everything is already set. So the same thing, I don't want to click on sell but I'm not ready to sell. I click on, so let's go back to buy. Same thing on buy. Remember, we are still on P2P trade. We want to buy, select someone want to buy, click on buy. The same thing we did for sell. Buy. How much do you want to buy? Let's say $100. This person does not have up to $100. It's $50 and some cents that the person wants to sell. So I have to put that $50. Except I don't want to buy $50. I will go back and look for another ad. You get? I'll go back and look for another ad. This is with crypto. Okay. So put the exact amount. Let's just do the exact amount that this person wants to sell, which is $32 and some cent. 32.7257. Let's do, okay, 32.725. Yeah. So buy with crypto, click on buy. Remember, you don't want to click on confirm. If you click on confirm, the Bybit is and all these platforms, they're actually strict. You can get your account locked. So don't click on confirm. You can click on buy to check the amount. So buy with fiat. The value below is lower. They want to sell 50. It's 50,000. Once you're using Naira, 50,168. If you're using crypto, it's actually $50 and some 30 $36 and some cents. So this is it. If you click on pay now, you have confirmed that you want to pay, and the person's USDT will be locked. So make sure that you don't want to that you want to pay, to click on pay now. So I cancel this. I actually don't like doing this because it's not good for your account. So let me cancel this order. Then we'll go back to Express. Express is actually, I think, is the best to me though. So let's cancel this order and go back to Express. This order has been cancelled. Confirm. So click on Express above, Express, and then Express automatically matches you with a buyer or a seller. Look, the amount there is 1,531 naira. You can click on buy or sell. If you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, click on sell. You have the NGM, which is for naira there. So let's see what the calculator says. 1,531 naira times $100 will be 153,000, I think, times $100. It's 76,550. So I want to buy 76,550, which is for $50. So select payment method, bank transfer. So click on order preview. If you click on place order, the order will be placed. You should continue with it. Not must though, but it's not good to click on place order when you're not ready to buy. So I'll just cancel this. So the same thing we did to buy, same thing we do on sell. You click on sell. How much do you want to sell? Remember, you must send USDT to your account already if you want to sell. So I have about over $300 and I want to sell, let's say, 300, okay, 300,000 naira, which is 180 USDT there. You can see the amount, the USDT under the 300,000 naira. You get, so um you have to select payment method that you want to use to receive. If you don't have it selected already, but I already have mine selected. So this is the bank transfer, 1,532 naira. And then you can click on order preview to preview the order. So you can add your bank payment method here. I already have mine here. So uh, click on place order to place the order, but I don't want to place the order. So this is just once you click on place order, and you are selling, you wait to receive the amount, and then click on release and add, you know, and once the person pays, you receive the amount. You click on release. If you are buying, you pay to the account number, screenshot and upload it, and the person will click on release, and you receive your USDT. It's pretty much simple. It's just something you need to do over and over again, and you get it very right. So I hope this is how you do it on all platforms, be it Mex, be it Binance. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We're uploading more videos and we're also showing you more things to learn. Thank you.